He must stay around there in the bed. He must sleep side of me because he have asthma. You have to go and wall off over yourself.
Like, be a punk in a Sophia here.
Hello, good evening. It's John Cooper.
Alright, so online service of my people. You want to renew your business registration or you want to do it for the first time. At them that, same thing can do that. You want to do your fitness for your vehicle or your registration for your vehicle. At them that. As I say, police record, at them that. See? If you have a traffic ticket where you want to pay online, at them that. If your traffic ticket rub out you can't see nothing funny, link them up. Pretty much then do most things online. Skip the line, man. Call online service hub. Remember me telling you, and me, Maggy telling me. If I nothing, the whole Maggy accountable. See? And you want to renew your passport or you want to do it for the first time, link them up. Online service hub. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Have a friend in Jaja, best friend I ever had. Never ever fails me, never makes me sad. Jah always be near that's what makes me so glad to have Jah Rastafari, best friend I ever had. No, I found a true friend in Jaja. With him he will be my drop so. With him he will be my side. No, I found a true friend in Jaja.
Hello, Jennifer. This is John Cooper, and I'm calling from the publisher's warehouse. So they're doing $2.5 million and a brand new Mercedes Benz. We're calling to tell you that the cash reward that you won here of $3.5 million. We sending the claimant package to you right now. How do you feel, ma'am? Yes, I know you feel very good. No, if you are gonna need you to take the claimant number, I need you to take the clearance number of 224586 PCH. Here we go again, 224586 PCH. How do you feel about that number? Yes, we're gonna reach over in 2.
So them a little boy I live. Man, I have to go find out how to do this, you know. Yeah, man. Oh, that auntie. God know me auntie, I then girl Shana you live. God know. Yeah, man, in life colors. I deal with. Alright. God know me auntie long time I no see you. Clean door you ever rake up a place and sit no show.
Good man.
God know me good up auntie.
See you now,
Glad to see me auntie, man. You look nice though.
Yes.
Not true.
Yes. Where the meat there?
Why?
I mean, fatter.
Not true, like me I drink too much of all rum, you see me? Too much of weed, me have to tap then you sit there and I put on a little weight, you see it?
Yes, man. We are afraid, man, so.
I'm not afraid, I just see rum and me always drink, maga me down. I remember the last time I see you, me the fatter than this.
Yes, you did have more meat for your bones, man.
True, man.
I'm glad to see you. Come for the sun, man.
Not true.
The black, don't black.
God, no. I'm glad to see you, my auntie, man.
Glad to see you, my boy. You look good. So what kind of breeze blow you here, sir?
So I pass through place. God, no one look up place me, I look for rent, you see me? Nice little apartment, me could have moved around my woman around here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I pass and I see you, so I love how you so look, you see me? I say, no mind, I could have get one of them room here to go and run off.
Why, my boy? Nah, light, you know? Expensive, you know?
Expensive, I can see it, man, but
bad,
I say my work still in my house to see me, so you see me, so I must get sort out it.
I saw your pocket fat.
Not really, but man, I hustle, you see it.
Let me tell you something, my nephew. You see the landlord, yes, sir? Him not run no joke with them rent, you know?
You know them way them man. I see him say if you go if I'm not run no joke with my rent neither. So the place look. All the money man and spend to get the place so.
Man. Over 55 a month, you know. And then you have to pay your electric and water, you know. That's what me tell. But I love you for coming to live here, some man.
Say 55 national supposed to cover up everything.
No, me you. That's what me I tell you, say. The landlord, yes, so.
So
Talk too loud.
me now cut in when there we could have catch some water differently. You don't have to pay for no water.
No man, I make people see me I catch water. Hey, my standpipe days done, you know.
God.
Me a traveler. Me go foreign and come back and things so people can.
I know auntie say mommy they tell me say they send a thing to Western Union for me pick up him one at a time, but just through my TRN they get mixed up and sit there, you see me?
Listen, if it's true, although me and your mother can't get on, but still.
I know for no thing man, I just say go for no way of life that you see me. I just saw no grow up.
No man, a she. Fingers stinky can't that shit way, but your mother still. So
yeah, so I don't know sister then and my mother, so we just have to work then a little thing and put certain things aside, you see me? But when I say auntie, I always say some other want the room man.
So Panta, you serious?
I mean, I don't laugh auntie, I live around from my place, move man out and look at board house, be a bad energy around there cause. Be energy, be a bad vibes. I mean, even want to say certain things.
With you and your man?
May I tell you?
Okay.
Yes, it is a windy. Yeah man, the one with the inverter man. Yes man. Boy, I don't know what I go on with it, just don't blow cool, you know. Yes.
Well, try no say you can't afford it, you know, every month, you know.
That at least, but I tell you, I hustle auntie man and I work, you see me?
Alright. So when you want me to set up a meeting with the landlord?
Soon I better right now, I see man.
Right now?
Right now.
Around this is in my apartment, you know.
Right around here, so?
Make sure, you know. I mean, I go
Alright,
call him.
call him for me, auntie. Me there, so.
What? My nephew come back to town. There come.
Alright, auntie, alright. Good auntie that, you know, man. God, no. Best auntie in the world. And she then say me take off her and throw in a dark glass. Wanna come back here, auntie?
Hello, Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, you there?
Oh, what man?
Morning.
Hold on, one of my tenants to talk to me. I saw call about. Come talk to me now.
Mr. Leonard, so I'm glad to catch you.
What happened?
You alright?
You know, so the AC me there, so I line up. You one alright round there?
It's sometime-ish.
But I don't know why Fimone have gone. But anyway, better Fimone gone and phone one, alright. Where you going?
Right now, you have a minute, sir?
Yes, man, I have more than a minute.
Alright, my nephew out front. He's a good boy, you know, he's a good man. Hustler, work hard.
Yes.
He might look for rent one of the apartments. So I tell him, say, we will talk to you.
Oh, so you tell him so one round there?
Yeah, man.
A good person?
A good person, man. We wouldn't come with no foolishness.
Miss Georgette, you're a good tenant, you know. So if you are going to recommend somebody, would say them a good person as well.
Yeah, man.
So I have to run no background check now, nothing.
Well, do what you have to do, you know, but I'm a nephew. So I'm me raise him too.
Okay. Alright. You tell him the price, 55,000. You can manage that?
Yes, man, he's a hard worker, you know.
Me no like rent local my place, you know, me like rent returning resident like you. But can no sure so I can manage it. See a sure so you can manage
Mr.
it.
Leonard, so that's why Jamaica can't go no further, you know.
Come
That is
on.
why Jamaica can't
Miss
go no
Georgette,
further. I
Miss
don't like
Georgette.
argument like that, you know.
No, listen, Miss Georgette. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Where's the neighbor? Let me talk to you.
Alright, but that man,
Come on.
come. Yes, he's a good man. He's a good boy.
Not true.
He work hard.
You don't want to joke me around, man.
Hunter, come in there. Alright, Dad. This is him.
Yeah?
Now follow the looks, cause you know how young people turn. He was a good boy.
Yeah, I understand.
Hunter,
Bless your love, man.
Real.
this is your landlord,
Landlord
Miss
is.
Leonard.
Alright, Mas Leonard. Glad to meet you, Mas Leonard.
Yeah, man, for real, huh?
Mas Leonard, room I look for rent though.
One room.
Yeah, I'm a girlfriend, you know.
For real, you know?
Like a place, man, I mind get one room and
So you aware of the price? Not saying that you can't pay the price.
yes,
You know?
55, I said 55 a month.
Right.
Yeah, man,
55,000.
I suppose you can start out that, man. Cause I'm a working youth, you know. I'm a hustler, same, you know.
Alright. Your auntie,
Yeah, man,
I want
I'm a
best.
good
Look
up
here.
auntie, man.
look here, she know who me rent.
No, man, my
She
auntie,
know
now,
what
my
me-
auntie now involved in that something. Like.
She is a returning resident from the United States of America. Right?
My auntie, man.
You know, so you know, but me just a tell her what I got. She know who me rent. And I'm going to tell her the truth. I don't like when people who me rent. My mouth not so loud, you know. You understand?
Yeah, man,
But
I
you see,
understand, man.
if it is that you go forward my place and rent a go owe and all them something them, me can't go bother with that.
No, man, I no worry rent. You
And
can
me a go-
ask me auntie, man.
me a
I
go
she
give
me
you
take
notice
off.
and me a go make sure say you have to left my place, sir. Not auntie,
No,
no.
Miss Leonard,
No,
don't
hold
look
on.
on the negative,
No,
you know.
hold on,
My
auntie, listen.
nephew is a
Talk to
good
him
man.
for me, auntie.
I know your auntie is a good lady, you know. Sometimes me I go tell her too. When your auntie a pay me, sometimes I get all my drinks money for it. You understand? So if you can come on board and do the same thing, and you understand? Buy me a drink more, I make me feel good. Because me not a landlord where like some people where service up the thing them, you see them and something them, you know.
Yeah, you make
And
sure
they
say
drain them.
everything around
Yeah,
alright.
so like a month time now when you pay me my rent, buy me a little drinks for top of it.
Alright, so how you drink, landlord?
Not really like drink, but you understand?
You already have
Something-
money for you can buy
me already
yourself.
have money for go buy the drinks.
Alright,
Put it there, yeah.
alright. Me sort out,
So,
man. I take care of
if
you,
you
man.
can't sort
Same
out-
treatment like
so
what my
when-
auntie deal with you. That's how me deal with you.
Yes. A furnished room doing a boss.
Yeah.
You can manage that one because the one that furnished room.
Bed, everything
Bed,
in there.
everything, just everything, the AC, everything.
Everything. Fan.
Yes, sir. Fan,
Oh, AC.
Everything in there.
Alright.
That's why I rent if it's 55. I should have more, you know. That's why I say if you can buy me a drinks on top of the 55 a month.
Alright. No worry yourself, man.
You
Me
see,
start
auntie,
out
it's a
man.
good
Every
lady,
month. Every
come here.
month.
You understand?
Every month. Me make sure so you get
So
a
when
rent.
you're ready,
I told you right now, more than one coming.
Right
Right
now?
now. I no mind me get the key from you and looking at the place.
So you have the, because I would have take a back money, right?
Back money.
Yeah, you have to give me 55,000 in a back and then you give me 55,000 and now.
So 110,000 me have to go give you.
No, like 100.
Like no?
Yes. So if you want to circle me next week or tomorrow or whatever, it's up to you. But whenever you're ready.
I want it right now, man. Right now, I want it. I left right, after me get it right now, I left go hustle up the first 55 in my back.
So you have the money there.
Yeah, man, me have it, man. Me have it.
I'm not like you more feeling.
Me have it, man. Me have it, man. Now me can
Auntie, yes,
me can
so me
check.
don't
Tell
grade
you
him.
so you can't underestimate people.
No,
And
look
my
here now.
nephew
I'm
did.
auntie this.
Don't watch our youth look. How
Exactly.
he look like in head raga and how he put look
Alright.
on.
Tell me auntie
No, look
this.
on that. Don't.
But him
you
head
can't
look
lie.
raga
You
raga.
can't
No,
watch
no.
that.
Look here, I'm not saying.
Can't
Why
judge
you
a
say
book
my
by
family
cover.
no
No,
Mas
look here now.
Leonard?
Hold on, I'm not saying head raga raga. You know. I say sometimes like if in head raga raga.
Oh.
What is
Oh. Everything good, man. Everything
So
good.
you what you do?
Lord, good auntie, man.
Go ahead and come check me. Yeah, check me number now.
Alright, yeah, man. Me I want it.
Yeah. Yeah,
You
phone.
know, so me left my phone.
Me
left my
send
phone
you
on
the
my
number.
alright.
I'll send you him
But
number.
you can't give me a key, no, bossy.
Go on and come man with the money man.
But just say that one make a look in a place, man. Vi.
Yeah, I'm make a look in that
Yeah,
place.
yeah, me don't want to see it
Come
right now, man. See how you look, you know.
Yes man, I have no problem with that.
Today I see a man for there. No, all them sitting here.
You see this place here? I work very hard and build this place.
Up your side there, bossy.
No, man, this
Oh.
Oh, watch out, I forgot. So the lock never there. Yeah, man. Come.
You got my shoes, bossy?
Yeah. No, man.
Alright.
Go on and go look for the place, man. Are you a place to see them?
Alright.
Go on and go look for the place.
Place nice, bossy. God no, I'll fan in the house stop.
You like it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so do that and rally back and come check me. Yes,
God no, I ain't sitting here.
you soon get comfortable, man. Get the money and come back. Come now, man.
Yes,
Come
Mr. Bossy, man. Oh, God, man. Maybe cool off a little, man. It's nice, man.
Look here. Get the money and come back. Come.
I deal with Mr. Bossy.
Get the money and come.
Alright. I go up on the road, go slow up, sit down and come back here. I'm going to go on my site
come back
and come
fast,
back.
my nephew.
Where you say while I go?
My neighbor nephew.
Where you
No,
say?
I work up on site, so I go up on my site
What
and
kind
come
of work
back.
you do
I'm a
different?
constructor, man.
Contractor?
Yeah. I'm a hustler, see me. You see me?
Contractor
Tell
with
you, see, my
money.
nephew, good
I'm telling you not to work about it, man. How you drink?
I can fix
I ain't see a drink.
No, I'm not really, as me say.
Oh, you want your that
do the
money?
paper and do all that.
Alright.
Dig up.
Yeah, man, I soon come back. By next half hour, yeah? Alright. Place nice, man. God no auntie, I live life.
Yes, a good youth, you know, my nephew. So,
Look like a good youth, yes?
so ma.
Contractor?
John, no youth, me no easy, no youth. I want to put myself in. Oh, me pay for this already. 55,000 or 55 in my back. And then I can thief one bag of 1 ton of steel in the idea. But they now, half hour time, I tell the man, say, I try my luck, you know. Anything, me want a place there.
So like how you get a contractor tenant, Master Leonard, we can get next month for free, though. Finder's fee, man.
No bother with that, man.
But you're gonna get 110,000 right
Treat me nice
today.
like how you always treat me, man. Take it easy. Later, yeah?
Some people don't like black people have anything.
All of you to owe me a piece of food, you know. Hello?
Yeah, me dog, why pray? Where you see her going?
Hello? Yo, there, man.
Sir.
Yo, there, man. Yo, I'm to this money I idiot phone, brother. Yo, you not hear me? I link me, I can link you feel like them and me this sell you, no dog. Or you stay in the idea, yeah?
Yeah, man, forward, man.
Me a forward. And watch you know, me have a different thing when I want to sell you, know, so me I can talk to you about it here. And when you did this, so dog? Me a forward, don't move. Oh, see, dog, yeah. Dog, they on spot, man. They ain't straight nigga, I love work with, you know. Oh, that there, man. Yeah, deal. There, me there, man. Just give you a shout on the phone. You know, say, dog, I have money for you lot, me I link you up on. Alright, now me have a thing to sort out there.
I hate this saying, dog, you know, say I lost me, this me have dog, and I say, yo, dog, you are going, hold on, pan this, I hate this saying, dog.
Yeah, man. I'm checky.
What do you say you want to talk to me about?
Hold on, me check your money, because I have to make sure say they ain't thing straight, you know, dog, because my business is not joke thing, you know.
Yeah, dog, you can...
Serious thing, me deal with, you know, dog.
I go on the phone, me charge you. What you say?
Oh, I want to talk to you differently because I want 2 tons of steel and I want to sell it, you see me, because I know you want to done up your place, you see me.
Come no money.
But watch out now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But watch out dog, you see me bring the steel them come. And this is same money how you give me for your lot, them I know me have to go use and hire truck, you see.
No worry
So
about that.
you have to go give me something more upon this.
Just make you think them reach me, bad man.
Alright, so what time, when you want him? Tonight?
Bro, you know, say night dark, you have to do it right.
Alright, just look out and keep your phone active.
Walking hardware, man.
You know, say me alone deal with them thing the difference, you know, man. And me I walk in hardware in a place, you know. Walk and deliver things, you know.
Yeah, man, just waiting and make it
Alright,
night
just
dark and...
keep your phone active here.
Yeah, man.
About 7:30 or so, I can link you with them, you see me?
Yeah,
just keep your phone active. Big up yourself, you link here. Alright.
Watch him. Thief, you see, man. You wait till police hold him. But did he thief walk it hardware? You wait till police hold you, man. Yeah, Jack.
Serve! Who there shop your Rasta? Yeah, deal it. Say more one craving, you know. Alright. Respect here. Me up on the front a little bit here. Go a wall of 5 and bun me craving here. There, Rasta man. Go on easy. So go on bunny craving, you know. Look around the place. A nice place here, Billy, man. Man, all in place are supposed to cause a whole heap of money, not true, Rasta. All one of them roll here with the steel. About much one of them tire steel here? About much one of them tire steel here? 100,000 for one. I don't know if I still get there. I think I about 15,000 for one. One eye tire steel. 100,000. Alright, no say nothing, Rasta. Look a bit here. Big up yourself here. Alright. This a bag here. I can't believe I left the bag up this a start. But when I go left this a bag here. This a bag here move. A bag here going like you know and roll with man. And so I'll dash you. Can't buy anything sitting here when I go left this a bag here. Crosses. For me I have to walk come back for bag, brother. Babes. Babes.
Where you come from?
I did me the touch off the road. The road, but only that one thing, you see me? A good door. You look alright still, no look alright.
What you do me?
Differently. I like how we are living in, see me, so. Like, the auntie tell me, say, one house, one a fair place to rent. So I approve some of the rent if me and you see me and make a move from out of that board house. Because board house you bring be a bad energy in our life, you see.
Why? I'm just joking, I give me in a John shop.
No, so I'm not again.
You have money for rent house?
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that.
I'm not worry about that. Eh?
If
hungry, I kill me in a so.
I said that.
Daily.
You know, you now.
Where you get money for rent house? Stop.
Changes in life, you see me?
Do me a bigger. When me see it, me believe. See this, believe it. So when me see it, me believe.
Move out there right now, car.
Eh? Right now? Right now?
You don't have to really move out right now. Just gather up your things. Then you see me say, it's a weekend, go move in front of the place. You don't bother the place, I'm not going to live good, you see. Much bad energy around the place.
Much better energy around the place.
I tell them, man.
You see me not like for your friend, them, you know.
Are your friend them a bad energy?
Don't mix that already, you know,
Yeah?
so watch out. You drop
Oh.
all of my friends them, you drop all of your friends them and we live good, you see me?
Where say what ago? Where say?
Drop your friend them and you drop my friend them.
No, no Saigo. No Saigo. You drop fear friend them and me keep my friend them. You understand? Look at this, when I drop fear friend them, it better for me. Because they say when West in the name can't get the grape, what they say you do? Sour. So to your friend they can't get done as so.
Them a tell me must
Them a tell them something about me, but guess what? You're your friend them a crack.
I real talk can't talk. I believe you, you know. I know for them do them not to trust them, I sight me but not for them, you know. What me tell us the film bridging. You know how we know, but me not call no name and tell me say me feel left you. Same thing like what you say a while ago, say when you can't get the grip, them and say sour. Be a things him and not tell
So
you.
you can't left me?
You can't left me. I don't know why I'm met, so I feel left you.
They can't left me?
No man.
Let me tell you something. You see, all of your friend them, they don't really make one. And I'm not talking, they don't know no real. They don't make one. Your friend them are rubbish. Here? And your friend them are see what more and go up and step on them and just beat them up. I say you some one dear friend. Come in and I want to hear your friend them. Anyways, like what you say, what you call it? What you say? Weekend.
Weekend, me lift up from that place.
We will lift up.
I don't know, when I get behave also, I treat the other place, I said, you know, you're so grown, so not a vibes. I want to take you from that place, so you see me, because you just have a bad energy, I can't bother there, so when you grow on, so be a good life, and even pray if you put back your hand for me. I be all married, to get married and reach around, so settle down, you see me?
Hello, come here.
Watch out. Start us at there, sit there.
You mean everything what you just said. Let's be a conk in a Sophia here. You know when you come here, so come and fill up. Listen to me. Listen, me now when you come here, so I come build up my ropes. You understand? So what you have me in a sonnet right now. I didn't care when I look back at water, won't give me as a drink.
You don't want water?
Watch out.
You can't buy if you don't come back.
Watch out, me say I just see mercy. God has saved me in the sonnet today. Here. Here. Go on back where you come from.
Remember say a weekend in you see.
Later.
Go on up your things there. Weekend now.
Go on.
Go to a fight.
Go on the road, go look money. But come in, where just a while ago? Huh?
Yeah, man. Weekend, just get the things together. Me do it, man. Yeah. Don't need to say I want to come here. Me do it, man. I don't know a scam, man. If you start scam, man.
What kind of rubbish this me pick up? Watch him. Sure.
Idea, youth. Man can't apostle youth, I tell me, I tell you. Can't jack me thinking, no man can't do me with a hustle. Not do what me I do. For money, we 100 US, oh God. How long would I be on site to make this? And I do so much couple length a lot. One go lick off of one site and watch a rich man and rich tell too. Auntie! Me auntie there. Auntie! Forward me auntie, me there. Ready, me ready. Oh, look at me auntie. Say no be sure you.
Serious?
I'm not joking on my thing auntie. Watch ya. Watch your things, watch ya. Quick and fast, there's some man a hustle auntie. Watch ya.
No, like everybody say, come.
I true. I boss there.
Him there.
I'm shout him no man and I itching me the no man. Place more I'm going right now.
Hunter. A good money that though. You know,
no bad money auntie, this look like a fake. No fake money this. I want money no good than a fake money auntie.
Okay.
Good money.
People see it, man.
Me alone there, some
Alright. Now go call him for you.
Go
Make
call
sure
him,
you
go
know.
call
Make
him on
sure
now.
every month you know call my name with it, you know.
Think good auntie, not so much money me have auntie in a one little minute me left here so.
Alright. Put him
I
up.
talk about a month and I just half, maybe one day this. And so much money make a month I talk about auntie. So man a hustler, you may take you off and auntie.
Hustler, run away. Hustler.
Yes auntie. I wonder why you're there so long, my auntie. Me a sweat, me can't wait to go inside.
Yes, Mr. Panther.
Yes,
What you say
bossy,
now?
me there, man. I come
Blessed
to
love.
sort out the rent, man.
Same.
Money up and running, man. Like, me tell you, me a working youth and me a hustler. You see me?
Same.
Don't joke no night, man.
Yes,
Watch
man. We
out.
can't
Quick
see that
and
in-
fast, man.
Really,
Rent everything there.
Yes, man.
Don't joke no night, man. Just
And
say,
you look like a foreigner you come from because it's the US.
alright, and that's right on the front, me go and come
listen
back
to
to
me
show
now,
you.
auntie. You are returning resident. This man I live here. And you make him man outdo you in terms of like,
Well,
because as Jamaican you are giving as a foreigner. And look at this man I give me
well,
now.
Mas Leonard, make a deal with you.
Yeah.
Give me a thing for next month and me pay in a US.
Relax yourself.
Now pay in a pound too.
This man I look like he's gonna be my bestest tenant.
You see, me
Man, I come, man. You so I go, man. Me there now, man.
Welcome, man.
There,
Welcome.
Alright, and my
my
auntie
place.
done there for a long time. So you
Yes,
say
man.
55.
Yeah, man.
You say for your rent.
Yeah, so you have to give me 55 in the back, 55 up front.
You know what? Me just make a whole lamp on this.
How much that?
It's about 3,000 US, you know?
3,000 US?
Yeah. So me make a whole lamp on
Yes,
this.
man.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, someone. Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
But that's my brother count this.
Give me a key and
Just
sit
go
down,
and
man.
do what you do and live in that place. So this is just for 1 month, you know.
Yeah, and then
Right?
rent in the back.
And the rent in the back. And you
Alright,
buy
and
me
your
a little
juice.
drink.
Yeah.
and receipt, Mas Leonard.
Aye.
Hold on, Mas
Hey,
Leonard. That's
look
more
here.
than a month rent, you know. Same
Yeah.
a few months in
No,
advance.
not a few months this. The man say I buy me a what?
What
Drinks.
kind of drink that there?
Come out that big people argument. You're just a little tenant now, you know. This man is the big giant tenant, yes, now, you know. So hold a little corner, you know. You understand?
No,
Hey.
boss.
Look here, hold
That's
on,
my
hold on.
auntie, no,
Hold
man.
on.
My auntie,
Look,
man.
hold on.
Can't deal with my auntie so rough, man. Isn't
No, I'm not rough. I'm a friend, man.
Alright,
But me have look here now, me have a different room around here.
Yeah.
Bigger room. Right?
Yeah, for the king size. And,
Yes. Somebody
alright.
in there, but if you want, me can give them
Yeah,
a
man, you
little
have to go
notice.
get out, man. I mean, if you have the
And
biggest
then
room
them
on this
move,
building.
move them in here, sir.
Yeah, biggest rent.
I say you're
To go with the
good,
biggest
Mas
room, you
Leonard.
know.
Look
And
here, hold on.
Miss Clarence is such a nice woman and she's sick. I bet you really are going to do woman, Mas
But
Leonard.
she not pay me my
She
money.
not pay rent, auntie.
She, and at
biggest-
that
Don't
time,
do it,
and
Mas
that-
Leonard.
this man is a
Wicked.
good man. This man here is a great youth. Look here. You ever
That
see
is
someone,
wickedness,
you ever
Mas
see someone
Leonard.
you
for
see on
money.
one time?
That is wickedness. And you not even think to give me a finder's fee. You couldn't even give me a finder's fee, Mas Leonard. Me give you your best tenant.
What it look like? Say something there. Something there.
Not to me.
Mr.
So what
Leonard,
is what your aunties are?
no mind I get the lady out there.
Look here, man. You are the king, yes, sir. You see when me gonna find come
I'm me response,
Look here,
yes,
you
sir.
response, yes, sir. Come me travel when me ready, you know.
Oh, you travel?
Yes, sir. So all
Alright.
I'm gonna do is just give him my account and you just whoops,
Send the money to you.
put it to it.
Alright.
You understand?
You know nothing for
So
about, man.
you is the king tenant right that's right now. You understand me? I say?
Alright.
So
I just say lady when you get out there. Big
Alright.
room right now for me.
yes, man, a simple thing that man. We
Come
can't take her out of the
go
big
for my
room.
girlfriend and come show her place.
See, I gotta give her a next room.
Yeah, she can't take care of so. AC did us to everything there.
Yeah,
so.
man, I can take there,
Everything
so.
here.
I'll find in I see them, I
Fine
see
there.
there.
But you want to work it with us for your time being till me get her out, sir?
No, man, no more she come out, Mr. Leonard. I say money drop in the hand, no, Mr. Leonard. Just go
that is
take
true.
out
Give me
her
1
right
second.
now. Auntie, you look so. I may just reach.
I know
Happy
you
of yourself.
nephew.
Oh, alright, auntie.
Yes, Miss Clark. Yes, how you doing? You at work? The door is closed here. I need to show somebody the room. You know. can't show nobody in the room.
Good.
My place. My place.
Tell him.
My place.
Jam out harder.
No, regardless you have your personal stuff in there. You tell me say, me cannot show nobody my place.
You're
Right.
My
right.
place.
She bright.
You're bright, man.
Which part she bright?
school you
I
used to
him
go?
right.
Which school you used to go? I have a real tenant here that need a place. You not paying the rent. So I'm not. Don't overtalk me. I'm not running you out. I'm not giving any notice. I'm just putting you in. I'm just putting you into the smaller room. Putting you into the smaller room. What? All right. I'm gonna. If you want me to give you a notice, I can do that then. But me no wish you give you a notice. Me just say flip room, cause I'm a person there where I spend more money. Understand me? I said. This man is a hustler, this man is a contractor, this man is income like he's a returning resident. Alright. So when you come to talk, me feel you walk good. Alright, you walk good too. Hello? I'm on phone on me, yes. But you know, he could have been still in boss.
You just don't touch
Look here,
me,
look here.
Slave.
Yeah,
What you
yeah,
do
look
is
here.
disgusting
Look here.
for money.
Hold on.
You sell your soul for
hold on.
money.
You can't
You
put
see your
friend over
nephew?
your nephew, auntie.
You see
You
your
put
nephew?
friend over your nephew. If you have a big room and me I'm a woman, she
All
not
right.
a man live with.
Alright.
Right is right and wrong is wrong. The woman have her place. Been no wrong.
Mr. Ajit, what is wrong with you?
Me gone. You get your place. Welcome to
You know, say that.
welcome to Sodom
You
and
can't
Gomorrah.
no, say that. Hey,
you can't
what
come
can I
over
say?
and check me now until when you're ready, you know. And
Why
me
you
come
feel
link you said because you know I go.
Look here, young man. Your auntie behave like she's not rated.
Don't do that.
Me I say me
Don't
auntie
do
like she a
that.
put friend over and nephew.
Me
Hold
I
on.
put right
And I'm
and
a
right
good
and wrong.
Hold
is
on,
wrong.
hold on. How come you carry your nephew to me? And you is a good tenant, you know? And you don't want me to treat him fair.
Mas Leonard, don't do it. Don't do it.
Young man, see Kia, sir.
Alright, bossy.
The room is right there.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Yeah man, take care.
And
Me I go inside
I love
right
the start.
now.
I love the start.
Alright, so-
Keep it up and we'll never have any problems. sir.
Alright,
Never,
yeah. No
never,
problem
never,
with me,
never.
man. Come in, auntie. Come in, come. I open up a
See,
place.
now give me
I'll show
money.
me a place and take a place set up.
Oh, God.
Long time, man, for there, so. And place, yeah.
Welcome, my nephew.
Real, me
I
auntie.
like how you get it, but
No, yeah, say auntie, and me,
Yes,
if you get it, auntie. I mean, you know, like, come me get it. And this never, auntie. I know when me get it. I do want to move, so, auntie.
I feel sorry for myself.
Fun, everything there, TV. God, no, a lamp over this, if you plug in a current, no even cursing, and life, yeah. Even height, you know.
This place bigger than mine.
I tell you, auntie. But auntie, me even height, you know, me I go for mom's right, you know. Change me, I change off them clothes right now, I go for mom's.
Alright.
Nah, itch. My woman for there. Then her life, you take her out of the board house, the problem place. Right, I know I do it. Me I can't do it. Get myself ready up. Then place your auntie. God no.
Pretty
A lion in the wall.
So money can't get you though.
Clock. All Bob Marley there. God no. What's your money can do?
Money buy things for true.
No, sir. And a lie, auntie. And a lie, I tell.
Oh boy.
I never bust all my fridge yet to see why I never update it. I don't want to see him tell moms come here. So, auntie, I go hold her fresh off and change off and go for mom's here. So, I come back, I come call her on your side there.
Alright, Panther. Nothing supposed to be in the fridge, you know, come over, so you just move in. So 6
what you
o'clock
know,
dinner
man?
go ready.
I say, I want $3,000 I have me give boss a while ago, auntie.
Alright, no problem, Panther. You see when you come for dinner?
Yeah.
Put a little change in my hand.
Alright, I say nothing. I go up on the road, man. I say, I hustle like now, auntie. I tell you, joke and I'm thinking.
Alright, 6 o'clock. You and your mom.
Alright.
Don't forget the food.
Alright, auntie. Change off them clothes, alright. Oh, for moms, yeah, no. God no. Can't wait for wife to come here so. Different life, no cussing. Tell me, I tell her. Joking, eh? Go for moms right now.
Send all your love in my way, cause you don't know say I'm here to stay. I pray that you stand beside me, night and day. Send all your love in my way, cause you don't know say I'm here to stay. I pray that you stand
God
beside
no
me.
father. Me I get money rent house, put my woman in a house, furnish house. Me nah no money and put myself in a sir. You help me still father. God no. Babes! Babes! Ready up, get your things them and forward, ready up. Babes! You know, depend on itchings, you know, be a movements, you know, do it, you know. You see, ready?
Hold on there. Come here.
I pray.
None of the furniture they not come.
No, man, we have furniture go be a rich lifestyle, furnish house, apartment. Thing turn up now, you know, man. I say me fi go look money, you know.
Full furniture at about.
I tell you, no joke no night.
Listen to me. Me nah give you pesa, you know. Me nah give you pesa because they say show up miss bring this.
No, man. Nah, give you
So
pesa, you sell it so.
and then we will come around and come fully lock up the place.
You know, come back around, man. Once you reach around this, you know, come back around. Sell it so forward.
Hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas.
Forward, man. Nah, man, I do it, we do it, man. You see what I go on. Nothing I chat things.
That's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the
Man, I
same league,
you
we
think I
ain't in the
chat
same
things, you think I
brand.
joke thing with the pan. You see what I go on. That's forward. You me do it fine, man. I tell you, put in work.
She look like Madonna. Found a new flow and it's hot like the sauna. Buying these stocks, I don't care about designer. Tryna play me, they ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays. So
I love the place, be man.
See the place over there so hot. I know so nice. I give some rotten little top fryers here.
But they didn't sit there, be a different place today, you know, you want them style around here, say, you know. Nobody around here so know say you lick up me, you know, because I'm a gangster, you know. Can't bother. But they didn't think,
Gangster wet. Even a belly and
See your place, I talk, say, be, I don't say that, man. See your place there, you know. Well, look. Well, grill up and sitting, how you look?
Wow. This a place a nice, man.
Tell us you like him, man. I think a joke thing.
Then be me have to go start take care of you 1 year now. Not take care of you now. You have to go start you now.
You need to tell me that how long if you take care of man and show me rent you so make you want.
Come. Can you go to be?
Alright, come in, go in that place.
Wow. Beautiful. So which part me I go?
Yes, man.
Or downstairs?
Alright, then you saw it there, man. So we have all neighbors already, residential areas, see me? Come like a family, we have us already. Tell me, I tell you. It's good life that in place, you see me? No bad energy. Can't bother everyone of them place. Everyone of them place to make we not live good as we reach. You see, all that tell me, say you take care of me already. And we just reach. Well, place look.
Conversation is right.
Wow.
God, no. No, you like it, man. You see me? You know if you can own furniture. Sell more, sell all around the sun.
Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like
Sell a bad energy place there around there, so where I come from.
How long time to get rid of that place?
Fridge, everything there, all fun. A lion on a wall, bathroom, everything active. Now if you have to use cursing all again, watch a lamp.
Come look.
Nice. Fit you. Yeah, I say a long time if you there in place, yeah. One joke that night. No, so be, you just sit down as a reach, so you need to make you go look on the bedroom or your bedroom set up where you pray, nothing can go on. Christmas place.
Just relax. Just take it slowly. Understand? No worry, said later something.
Need for a hug nor a kiss nor nothing. God no. I don't even have troops.
You know, you miss just take it slowly.
Alright. I'm not rush nothing, man. Cause I'm glad to them bad vibes at top and I'll be a good thing, you know.
So,
So I pass 1 year, them I tell you I'll be stressing in my life and I say, oh, we now live good, you see me?
alright, enough for that. So, what for dinner?
I know, so my auntie there tell me say she'll prepare some food for me and you.
Huh?
My auntie live next door,
Yeah.
you know. For me and you.
No, listen. Me no want no food.
So you're not hungry?
Right now I need a burger.
Burger?
I want a burger, yes. Right now I need a burger. So I don't know where they talk about no food. Auntie prepare no food. No.
I'm gonna get a burger tomorrow because I end up pay up some rent a while ago. I give landlord everything I have for me. A while ago because my auntie there say should I prepare some food. They are pre say would I just eat that and tomorrow now would I touch the road.
What do you mean by you pay the landlord some money and if you wait for tomorrow?
You don't see place B?
You're not supposed to have money. Listen to me. Alright, now I need the burger. And listen, a hot girl this in a hot house. You understand? Look for me, you have to live up to my standard right now.
True.
You understand?
True.
So go and get the burger. I need it right now.
I start out. I go up on the road.
Good.
I lift my bag, yes, so. Me back here. I go up on the road and I fall. I say alright, I soon come back here.
Okay, yeah.
Alright. How much burger you want? One?
Huh?
One
Alright,
burger?
listen, we need one double whopper. And we need extra fries. I'm matter of fact, melted cheese fries. And we need 6 nuggets. We need one Hershey pie. And guess what? I don't want no soda. So when you tell them, say, I want one orange juice. I don't want no Sprite. I don't want no grape. I don't want none of them. I need one orange juice. So what me say if you get?
So before then an orange juice down there, I couldn't buy 2 orange and we can squeeze them and juice them out. Because then I normally have orange juice down there, so you know.
What? Orange, go squeeze out orange.
Natural juice and best juice one them in the back.
Listen, just nobody irritate me spirit for the rest of the day. Listen, you see how me I go on good now, just make it stay. So listen, just go on. Go on.
You go right down them sitting there. No, sitting that remember you know be. No give the chips, this, one can't remember small sitting there. You come with me?
Boy.
Be nobody them sitting there.
You want some of remember?
Neighbor them around there.
You want some of remember?
No, baby.
I know you that reach on Burger King and reach back.
Yes, baby, I mean.
Eh?
I mean, baby.
Rubbish.
God know you when me get money to buy a burger from your house, sir. Spend out the whole of my money, put the woman in a nice place and a different stress left on man you. Burger.
How we gonna reach you? You know need that.
Look at you.
All of Jennifer, give me and me, I will call you back, okay? How can I help you, sir?
So 1,000 me I look do.
No, so I not have money do.
You know no money.
You should have give me your money.
Oh, me figure your money. Me forget money from figure. Where me forget money from?
I a bigger man for me now. If I give look at you that thing.
Big man make no money like you know. You feel say me a fool boy. You feel say me don't know what I do.
It's not like you're in farm.
Yeah. Me no informer but me know what I do dog and then I help man dog.
Where you know?
When me know about that you ask me me know about. Every day me pass I ask me see you know. Me never see you yet on the site when me dey on the site you know never hustle. Me no see you hustle in the street when me hustle in the street you know. And I be sitting me see you go on it differently you know.
One thing me I tell him, you better stock all this fridge you know. Oh. Wow. Beautiful.
They look like you're part of the feds.
Feds, me not deal with feds, a badness me deal with dog. And me tell you this, you have to go start pay your juice to that me make you know here. You can't sit down for my corner, so dog. And me live right, I say, you know. Over here, some rent, you know. So you have to go pay your dues. Be money you not make, dog. You think me don't know what I go on?
You know about we are.
You never go foreign it. So your sound, so when you talk on the phone, you never go foreign yet. So your sound, so.
You never got English class.
But you buy a voice there. Well, I say a while ago about English class. You go to class, my youth. You look like you go to school, my youth. I mean, never them I see boys same age. And them man they never see up on compound yet right now if me ask them. You can't talk to me about class, youth. And me tell you this. Any money you chop, you better make me get my money. Cause right now, my woman nice over me yard. Man broke and me now make me woman left me say, cause who know I make money and she bought none for man, you know. That me I tell you, better make me get my share when you chop a money here.
You make my dog then rush you to man.
Make your dog then rush me. Alright. You see next time I see you. Yes, so you better have your dog them and your foot right. Yes, so that me never say nothing more to you. Wait till me see you again. Let me see you without your dog. Them. You better have them for defend you here. And wall of them we have here. Hundreds. Wait. I'll show you how I go on. Wait. Hold on.
I wonder if I'm undercover police. You know, I'm have to do a chat up to them, boy. I'm gonna trust them.
I deal it. Chop. My meds.
What I'm now, bad boy?
There, I'm there go and hold them, man. Watch another dog. You know, see my grandmother up here sick out dog and want a burger. I touch the road and I say me can hustle up a burger for her, you see me?
So brother, me ask you one question. What make you look so young and fresh? I don't know how to look work. Brother, granny grow me, you know. I love my granny, you know. But brother, me broke.
You love your granny. If you love your granny, you give me a burger. If you go give me a granny, if you love your granny, G. You mean say you not
right
nothing?
Now, you see, you sit down in here, money, I would have spent you and buy a burger.
You sit down in here, burger, you not no money.
See, if you didn't want burger money, spend you and buy a burger.
Actually, in a public man, I want to take you out of your pocket, you know, because my grandmother up there hungry, you know, me G.
A badness, I leave that.
I mean, never badness. Me not run joke with my grandmother, me G. When she hungry, me vile.
Badness?
I am straight.
Brother, move and go find someone. You move like you're a wicked
that
man.
I say.
Move, man.
I just say in the public, you're there, but me I move still, you know, but I try wait me a buck you, man. Hello, mommy. Can't get a one burger. God know you man give me one burger and even give me a cup of drinks youth. I don't like them I tell you know. Beggars don't have a choice youth. I tell you. All them a big truck you come park up in a man place, all them a boy have from town. Soon start pay them Joes man, I watch you go and just wait. That's soon see how it come man. This a burger you go give me woman, you know. B. Yes, sir, no lock. Alright, I feel say the lock, you know. So you left the place up so. Like you used the place already. And you just reach. Oh, you know, easy, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, I come and know, say, juice all dash way. I swear. You know, say, I buck my foot and dash way drinks nearly mash up the whole of my face. Can't believe, star. Me if you want there for that glass, I have one too dark.
You go to and dash way drinks.
But I nearly mash up the whole of my face.
So hold on there. So where is something where Hershey pie there and the nuggets? What them there something there?
Alright, and you don't even know. I never keep see you one. A big idiot place that nothing then have done there.
I make it juice. Dash way. You make it juice. You walk up, buck your toe and dash your juice. And you know buy one next juice for the way when you come.
Alright, up there say happen no shop no there so. Better.
If you name so fries and we call the burger and what we fuse and got it down. We fuse and carry down.
I beg auntie too.
What we fuse and carry down. Come, tell me the ears what we fuse and carry down.
I beg auntie 2 lime and mix like no sugar there.
I cannot make sense. Give me.
Gotcha. Easy no be.
Sense. We test some more no lime. Eh?
So good
thing that. No lime. We test some more no lime. What you cannot have sense.
Easy no be.
Come here.
Easy no man.
From what they are going like.
Cooler man.
Don't kind of scare me in your stuff. You feel
if
like.
You don't tell us where you come say
yeah, you're going to live good. No, we're not going to live no good. Yes, sir. Listen to me that.
Take time no be.
What you let me?
Be you make people play me.
No, how you do? Are you going to see me?
No be.
Jesus, peace, he does with me. Are you going to hey! Are you going to see me?
Come
on. Step on some place now.
Cool up be.
Let me go.
Cool. Cool up be. Easy no be. I show you the same things I didn't want the next door neighbor then here then
look how you're ugly so you're ugly from a long time ago. Look how you're born so see how you grow so look how you're born so see how you
Oh hey what going on sir? Eh?
What you hear going on sir?
So what kind of screaming that me hear the woman pan over there? What you do? I beat you man?
I play one game. So watch your sicky you hold on for me so.
I want you over there.
Watch your sicky, leg off of me shot. Watch your.
I want you over there.
Watch your this a sicky you no easy. Leg off of me shot man.
I want you over there.
What this a sicky you no easy. Leg off of me shot sicky. What a sicky you? You no easy sicky.
I beat the woman boy.
Police. You can't security. You no security. I move like you're police. You're police. Sorry, officer. I don't even see you're police. I think you're sick, man. I deal with it.
What going on over there, sir?
Nothing going over there. I'm a woman over there around a joke, man. I don't even see you're police. I nobody see you're police. I touch up a yard, no.
Listen to me, man.
Sorry about that, man.
I beat you over there?
No, sorry, I'm pure ramp, man. So I'm a woman ramp. I see me one thing we watch on YouTube, but I'm play one new game.
Yeah, man, I say. You take time with the nice, you know. Because we don't want no domestic violence around here, you know. You hear me, sir?
Yes, officer.
No domestic violence.
Officer. Me feel say they don't security, man.
Worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. I true me.
You want good officer still look at me all on. You see me for some officer?
No, man. I'm not ready to shoot nobody yet.
Say nothing, respect. Now go back home, come on here.
Wicked ungodliness that keep you ugly so. Say you're ugly so. Is your foul uncleanness that have your people so.
John, who youth, I deal with.
Yeah, man, what going?
Yeah, me there, dog. I don't even know you. I know like me a violate, you know, dog. I not this, you know, call time the other day, you know, dog. I don't even know. Just do some problem there, man. Yeah, man. Stress out, you see me? I don't even know, dog. Man, want some money to change up a style or go around in my place with me and my woman, you see me? Alright, I know. Between me and you, dog. Let me say, no, man. Between me and you, I know say in a game, dog. I'm gonna bust me in a thing, but I know about it, you see?
Alright, sure.
That you for so long time, man.
So,
Leads.
Yeah.
Leads ain't call this.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you.
So where this lead go?
But you know, these you know man, a be a number this, you see me? It's call them information. First name, last name.
What kind of school you
address.
talk? What school?
No, brother.
What kind of people? Like you goon them?
Yeah, you see them now. See they talk there them out. And you book call one man, big 2 times I drop a jelly, 2 times, 2 day. You see me? 1
jelly.
day. What you mean? 1 client to then a me.
1 day.
1 client.
One client, Mitch.
Mish. To then a mish. You buy big house. Fat ride.
Fat ride.
Fat ride. GLE, Markix, Crown. It's then
That big fat ride them you talk.
with the big old sign them in it. You see me? So look what me I go do now. I go send you this to WhatsApp. I'm gonna give me a number.
8. Put in 876 335 4214.
Alright, me shut it. You see me?
Me left the phone on my yard when I go back around there, you see me?
Me send you the script. You see me send you the script, right? When you study it in a 1 week's time, you just check me back. You see when I know a script.
A whole heap of number this is study in a 1 week time, dog. Look at number.
And
1 week time, watch out.
Some script doing answer to you see me? Something like we have to read, you tell me, you see me? We are going to tell the client, you see me? So 1 week time, if you know what it is, you just check me back.
So how me go towards this? When me tell him, say when me call him first?
And that's how I script be there.
Oh.
Remember, say, tell us, you know, you're going to say, hello, Jennifer. Yes, it's Mr. Cooper. Publisher's warehouse.
But me can't talk so,
You don't
dog.
have to talk, you can talk in Jamaican, but you could type soft.
Me try. I'm calling you from the publish.
No. You cannot talk, you have to soft up your voice. I must say, clear that to you.
I must say, me not the advice there, no, dog.
Like you, that's alright then. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
No. You see me, 1 minute. You can't do that, brother.
How are you doing? How are you doing?
Why are you that?
Easy no man, cool no man.
Brother, you cannot say
I learn, me just learn, you
yeah,
know.
but you can't say, look, brother, no part what
Oh,
you give them, brother. You have to try if you talk in a soft
Me
way.
try back. How are you doing?
You're going to say, how are you doing? Like you twist up your tongue.
How are you doing?
Yeah, something like that, brother.
Sitting there enough for me, man.
Listen, no man, something like that.
You can't catch this in a 1 week time.
But you know, me there have to teach you, man. Alright, let me teach you. You can't ask culture, I pray. Hello, good afternoon. It's John Cooper from the publisher's warehouse.
How are you doing? Hey, can't forward it.
Trisha, I soon call her back. This one I saw like in the outer door. Yeah.
Yeah, sitting here going, you know. Man, if I run up and down in a place, my youth, make people I take man for fool my youth. I try, you know.
Listen. Go around there, so. And go take a proper shower. I mean proper shower. I don't mean like go in the bathroom and jump come out back. I mean like go in there and go spend at least 30 minutes, half an hour bathing.
So I wash off so.
Because you don't smell good.
You make me run up, make me sweat up myself. When I shut up, my shut sweat like a rain wake me up. Watch out. Whatever the foolish my youth. And me a find out say on the house. And the house round so do you say you know. And so me a find out say you can you know youth. Alright man, hold that fresh.
How are you living?
I say a word man, I say nothing.
Black chat man. Rubbish. Oi. Try and make sure say you can look over something for me eat. Come in and come talk about make man run up and down. You're like a man. You're not a man. You're a boy. You're a Judas. You're everything in a one. You're a traitor and a Judas. Oh, Tada. Hello? Me left my two little fries for you know. Piece of lettuce. You want it?
No, sir, I'm good.
What do you mean by you're good?
I'm good, man, eat that man.
If you eat that,
Sorry for me.
me can't eat you. You know, see how you me left it for, you know, see you want him more me. How you me left it for?
I'm sorry for me.
Drunk crow. If I go and chat.
Yourself, yeah?
Me say if you go and chat round there, you know. Me just can't use my phone and just butt in your fire like when I use gun and butt in a some boy fire, you know. Tapping and chatting with me, you know, you. Stop!
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing today? How are this? Today, my name is Mr. James. You have won yourself 500,000. Okay, I'm going to laugh, man. Yeah, go and laugh. You don't know what we're going, you know. You think a joke thing me depend. Rich man, I reach out. You see what go on. What is this? Mercedes Benson. What is this? Pearl white. You catch him, man. That's what go and laugh, man. I feel me this. You come here, so I make up nice, Sabi.
How you say that?
No, say I want a friend me have bust me pants on things though. They are go and deal with that thing so I can go on. Don't worry yourself, man. That's when start to be your money are coming. Like problem.
Money again.
Money again, that's when so I go on. All your nails, toenail, fingernail, everything soon change. That's so I go on. Yes, ready again. Right. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mr. What is it? James Peter calling you from the warehouse. I know what. I need to read no more of this. I call me nigga. I call me dog. You see what I go on.
Why?
Chop, I deal with it. Why me there you go on easy? Where you there? You know where me live, not true? Same place I always sit down, man. Remember me I tell us around the corner there some live, man. You see your house when you as a Benny corner up on the left hand. Just go and give me a link here. I'm ready to kick off the thing, man. Big and serious. Me catch your thing, you know? No joke, man. Me catch your thing, man. Quick and fast. Just forward, man. Alright. Chop. Let's see what go on, yeah? No joke, no night. Pinky dog to you. Up on the front, see if the dog come. Call upon father, that's what go on. Then someone say job.
You feel lucky, say. Me give you authorization for left yard. Cause you couldn't left yard none time there. Eh, I saw me go and I'm not pretty big so. No, I bet 1 foot a step through there so.
I bet say my rich out here for easy. So you go on, man, you go on like you're not pitney big so. I get up and go, so you're hot. As me say, sit me, you're hot for me so. I'm going to do it, yeah, man, because you need phone with me.
Right. Eh? Boy, you're the pan phone, boy. Hello? You speaking at warehouse? I can't tell her. I forced me a lot of from morning. Rubbish. If I make it, you would have never make it. They are many idiots. Matter of fact, how will I feel them tell someone snuff to eat?
Quick and fast. That me I show you right now. Me catch it thing in a dog. Actually, you don't even know. Me catch it dog. Lock. Quick and fast. Go over here, sir. I don't know no man kind of miserable, you know. So it's good thing I saw Bill back in the yard and go and talk here. Tell me, I tell her dog. Me catch him, man. Quick and fast, dog. No itching. Never cheat, they good. Yeah, sir, man.
You what, bro?
No, joke talk, man. Right now, I call one of them, you know.
Yeah,
So we can chop this some money.
By the way, let me hear your song first.
That's the me catch a thing, man.
Let me hear your song. Remember saying everything right without.
Alright, man, I'm sure you make catch a thing. Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? My name is Mr. Peter calling you from the I miss up a part there, God
But
no.
you not feel about it, man. You have a bad bulldozer over there, so you can't go sell it. Put it up online and sell it. Then man make a picture of it. But this a game.
Bulldozer can go up online, dog.
I mean, man.
And pop down that.
No, not the line, them, my friend.
Oh.
Yeah, go straight. I'm sure I think. See the app here now, the app on Instagram, you see me? Yeah, just take a picture of it. From this, when you put it up, from this a wicked ball game. So you can make a heavy piece of money off of it.
So when I have to go do it then, man?
No, you have to go do it, come because I have to do something. Or the boss in the street. You know,
Me deal with it, me not responsive if I don't want to come in there.
Just show me up on the bird, man. I'm a guy that will go on. You see me? Because this is how I'm being through and done. That's how I'm going to take up a game differently with you. You see me?
Alright, me knock you, man. Me just want you show me ropes so me know what to do, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Because you don't look too hard, you know.
Yeah, man. Because see, somebody teach me. This is somebody used to go like it. You see me? So I learn the basic now and I teach you about the basic. You see me?
See me, not true.
Yeah, man. You know a wicked ball game, man. So anytime you link you.
Alright, me a show to you. Me a show to you. You send me thing them to my phone, yeah?
Mad, man.
Alright. So I tell them I don't want to let it go, you know. Alright, now say a word, man. Go up, right now, me I link you.
Hello. Where are they? How far I reach? Oh, you do that gate? Alright, may I come up in the gate for you? Yeah, may I come?
Yeah, be alright. Long time I not see you.
I'm good, man. Come on. You can have a seat there, so.
Alright.
That time you just asleep, you know. Oh.
B. How him?
How this man in them place? What go on here, so? What go on here, so, my youth?
I'm a cousin. I want to make it be here, so.
Cousin? So me not know this a cousin.
Where they be here, so far?
So me not know this a man in my youth. As me asleep, me wake up, come see man in them place.
Hello. Me say I'm a cousin. What more you want me to tell you say? And listen. Here what go on now. My cousin come to stay.
Your cousin come to how are you, brother? How are you?
Yeah, yeah, what the girl say, big man, sir.
Me don't hear when my mother say, you me ask.
Listen, hear me I say. My cousin come to stay. Hello, me a talking there. Come on, me not talking there. Ache.
Far cousin, near cousin, what type of cousin? You know what type of cousin?
Cousin, what is?
Ah, man.
What
man.
What cousin you be?
Hello. Listen. This is my cousin. My cousin. Me, my boyfriend.
Yes, father.
Good man.
And listen, he come to stay, so here what go on now. Me not treat my cousin bad. He have to go sleep.
I'm still asleep. More sleep, me still asleep.
Yo.
What you? I'm asleep.
Here what go on. You listen to what me I say? Or not listen?
Me I hear what you say.
Me I say. He might go stay around there so in the bed. He might sleep side of me because he have asthma. You have to go and wall off over here, so. You understand? Or the one bigger, so you can wall off over here, so.
Yeah, tell me.
You get what me I say? What I mean by what me I tell her say?
Your cousin sleep on the bed kind of asthma.
Yeah, I'm not cheat my cousin bad because if me I did there yard.
What? You sleep on the bed and me and you sleep, yeah, so. Right, yeah, so me and you sleep. You know you sleep.
Yeah, I go on. Stand like that, so yo, cuz, come here, let me show you a place. Let me show you a place.
So I say, sick man, I tell you a place, don't give man sickness. Brother, put on a mask in this, brother. Man, just a boy, me got trouble find me, youth. Me don't know what, yo, me know what me do. I go down with that woman if you tell me what I go on for my life, you know. Sitting can't right in this youth. You know, link you woman and find out if nobody try for hold long, man, you know. You know nobody try for hold long, man, me I tell you a problem in this. I don't know how them are going in a man life. Run a first house a be a war, I mean I feel say house I do it. Now in this house I get worse. I see what, I check you, man. Something wrong in my life, brother. Nah live so. Are you sick, man? Do you sleep already?
Sometimes one them up your so.
Me that me, no?
Sometimes one them up your so if you don't know sense. Eh? Hello, me a chat to you now. Turn up when me a talk to you, big man. Come like, let's see for what do you for what do you lose it?
Where are they in my place?
For what do you lose it? What we doing this?
Where are they in my place, my youth? That's what. My youth.
Come right yourself, right?
Where are they in my place, my youth? Man, nobody had the phone in this. Nobody with it today. That not work today. That not work today. I think you can no cousin in my place and come go like you want to come this me my cousin see. You must see. Nobody with it, you know. You may tell us nobody with it, my youth. Alright.
Listen.
Like that.
Calm down now.
Like you want your cousin here, your ball in here today. From when? Alright.
I just say.
You must want your cousin here, your ball in here today. You follow this youth, you follow up man place youth.
Yo, I deal with cousin-in-law.
Cousin-in-law.
Say cousin over there.
Cousin over there. Joke thing you depend, you know. Me have a soup prepare for you, you know. If cousin no cook that soup there, you know. Tell me I tell you, if cousin and cousin soup no boil so good. That's also what go on, man.
Yo, lean up off 5 man, carry that to do, man, and top chat.
That's all, not worry for yourself, man. I follow up man place from where there. You know what's the rent place for man. It's a woman here. Don't tell man about man and cousin and look how long man and him a deal, man. Never see this a cousin here yet. Watch your go on, man. Wait, man. I have a soup prepare for you, man. Things sweet to no go sour on you. I just need blend and no chattings you. Watch your go on. Follow up man place youth. Oh, lucky man lock me out of my place. That boy are no easy.
Hello, stay right there, so. Stay right there, so. My cousin have asthma, so.
You know what I hear about him? You know?
You can't come in so with no weed.
You know what I hear nothing about that, the boy there. About cousin have asthma. You know what I hear about him, you know, I tell you anything to reach him, you know. Better send him back where he come from, you know. Alright. Chat him to the thing go on.
Are you some gonna reach? Oh, hello. Can't come like say from what they have past the place, you know. Eh? You have money?
No money coming at this. No money
listen to me. Because you come here because you come here to spend some time. You understand? You understand? I like saying come here to live in, come here to spend some time.
Because if you true and you love him, you better make him go on.
So what are you going to do?
Don't talk.
Mr. Badman, what you going to do? Eh? Because he come like from what here, he sitting them pan down there so grow too much. Eh? Remember way. He come like from what here, some of them down there so they grow too much. How? Eh? You go on like say. Yeah, lose it from what here, you know. Hello.
Mr. Leonard.
What go on, Mr. Leonard?
There, man. How where there, Mr. Man, get to you?
No, look here. From where there, you have to pay my rent. You better you say that.
Yeah, me tell me want get to you from where they but I
Yeah.
So hold on there.
So, what going?
You rent no pay yet?
No, me didn't get this out to rent it, you know.
No, me not.
No man, no. You not gonna rent yet?
No, me not get me rent. So what going?
I just say 1 month.
Hello.
Then I get the rent.
Pay the money you rent.
No, look here.
Pay the money you rent.
I say, you make me not pay.
Pay, say,
how long?
Oh,
Every day,
no, sir.
burger, this burger, that, nuggets.
How much time you buy me burger? You didn't even come back with the nuggets, much less the Hershey pie.
Hey,
Where
look here.
you buy me? I want to buy more burger. Pay money. Come here. Pay the money. Pay the money. You know money. Eh? Pay the money.
Today, Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
By Friday, I'm going to pay.
Walk this dirty boy.
Look here, man. Me not like how you switch up on me, you know.
Just give me 2 days, man.
No, but look here, you switch up on me.
You know, say me I want a good tenant, then Mr. Lennon.
No, you're not a good tenant. You're not a good tenant.
But I change up amount now, man. You tell me say me a best tenant.
Me tell you say you're the best tenant?
The first day when me and my auntie run this, Mr. Lennon.
When me tell you that? When me tell you that? Your auntie hear me tell you that? You hear me tell you that? Say you're the best tenant?
That's what auntie. The auntie show me then. You remember the day
I'm
man, the first day
your
me
auntie
US
gone
them.
with man from last week. From much week now? You see her boy?
I not see her from where they are too me busy.
She
Up on the work, man.
She have my rent too.
Cause they like me left in a be how was me coming.
May I have one question for you, ask you. How much you rent?
The rent?
Mm-hmm.
Him know. The rent is 55,000. But look here. Look at time gone, me raise it. And me call up on your phone and tell us 65,000 now, sir.
They never tell me that.
Me never tell you that. You're the worstest tenant me ever have. Worstest.
The best tenant on the worst tenant now, Mr.
Yeah.
Leonard. Just take a 2, one
Look here,
month
man.
rent.
More money in
Until
sir.
you give me 2
Pay money.
No, come in
Ba.
Show you what I got. That's why make me not pay money. In man come in our house and I tell me say cousin I'm not paying no rent on no man under this.
Who can man come in our house?
Fill the business.
Who can man come in our house? He come like.
What's up, square? Hello.
Mr. Leonard!
You know no sense.
Hey.
Mr. Leonard!
You know no sense.
I'm going to know.
Eh? You know no sense.
Alright, listen, miss.
Leonard!
Hello. Me know what? Come here.
I show you Mr. Leonard.
You go on the road. Go on out, sir. Miss, I don't want. Miss, listen to me. I don't want the problem in my place.
Rubbish. Look at me hand, sir. You don't talk to me, they will on.
No, but me not be a part to know over my place. Me never have them a problem in my place, you know.
Like I share your rent.
So, Mr. Leonard.
Hey.
Mr. Leonard, me can't have me money and carry one next man come in. That makes sense.
That don't make no sense. So that, hold on, me not getting on the business, but that I go on, yes, sir.
A man, me carry me cousin fi come steal the clan, the man and say me carry me man.
Alright, the lady carry her cousin come here back.
I don't know cousin, Mr. Leonard.
Anyway, don't the argument.
Everybody don't know cousin.
Let me get my money tomorrow. Hello. Alright, take 2 days and give me my money, sir. Anyway, ma'am, no nice, never that tenant there, yeah? What you do? Excuse me, sir.
Lift up!
Alright, you what? Just do what I do. Make me get my money. See? Make me get my money.
Yes, Mr. Leonard.
Excuse.
Lift up! Got disgrace to carry for me, you.
Bring the heat, match my vibe. We full of lit, we full of rich. Bring the heat, match my vibe. Cause you did think you're much a baby. You can never hate me, you can never hate. Like a little baby, But you call me baby, Dance floor. What you waiting for? Like a dog, this is
Alright, here, cuz.
Yeah, okay, cuz. Later.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Go on, you know. Go on, my youth. Come on, yell, man. Yeah. Best thing you do your top, come here. You don't even know where man a plan, yeah? Oh, wait. You have to shut up, your man. It's a must. It's a cousin, you have to go down. Hello. Yes, I'm the one selling the bulldozer. Yeah. Yeah, bulldozer for 15 million. No, mistake there, sorry about that. 25 million fee. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, let's see, tomorrow. Yeah, man, alright in the lane, I live, man. Right where cash pot shop there on the front. Alright. Be there on the front tomorrow, 12 o'clock, here. Alright, I say alright. Yeah, man, we link good. Alright. Alright.
I'm going to get bulldozer for myself.
And everything you know, yeah? Too fast, man. Yeah, cause they want some business too.
Where you get bulldozer sell
You know, I say a while
for
ago.
25 mil from?
And everything you
Where you
try
get
to
it?
find out.
So where you get bulldozer sell for 25 mil?
And everything you try to know, yeah?
Calm down.
And your cousin, you want to tell me business.
Calm down, no man. Which cause you talk about for
So
tell
yeah, move
business?
as I hear me make my phone call a while ago, you come so close. Nobody say they all long, much weeks, nobody say you sit down. Alright, one phone call I hear me upon your reach you so.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm the man.
You look so.
Eh?
You look so. Man and the woman in that one. How I make you move so you know?
So
I can't. One phone call I hear me upon a while ago.
it's nothing about one phone call. May I ask you say wait.
You don't know who me
You
talk to.
answer my question all now.
Bulldozer. Whole heap of them sitting there me have, man. Tractor, bulldozer, crane, everything. Grabber, everything. Me have. Backdoor deal, you see me? Now one thing me I tell you, anytime I make this a $25 million, I want to see back that the cousin there, you know. Tell me, I tell you.
No, be you're not saying back. What you said, 25 mil?
I know that's 25 me I make, you know. Hundreds of million, you know. Because that's one of my thing me I go sell right and I want a 25 feet and me a whole heap. That me I tell you.
Alright, me I make a deal. Me I make a deal with you. You see? If that 25 mil they come true, me promise you.
Thing live.
Listen, me promise you. So you're nasty about the cousin here. You don't believe me? Eh?
Why you have to make it happen for me?
Me and you make a deal. So we don't have to make me see money first before me can make your cousin come back here. You come like say you're not reason with sense.
You also what I want. Don't worry yourself, man. You also what I want. Just give me some time, man. You see me?
Alright, me have something special for you. You see, anytime they 25 mil they come in, eh?
You have something special for me?
Yes, anytime 25 mil they come in.
So I can't get it before you come in?
You see what we used to do? We used to do 1 hour, you're gonna get 12 hours. You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. Baby.
Half a day?
Eh?
Half a one day, me
yeah. 12 hours, just like that.
That's not bad.
So anytime you come to you, just my first somebody you have met me. You understand?
That's not bad. Right now, I take even six out of 12 from now, you know. And they come to me get 6. Because if I'm crab a boy, we don't do nothing, you know. I'm crab a money, you know. That me I tell you. Say I say. Yes, about the 6 today.
God be.
How do you so far? How do you? My back cramp up. I bet you lean up on the wall that's not too long. So you just sick out all of a sudden.
Take a 5, please.
I'm going to lie down, man, because you take a 6 and you don't know. When you come through this, take the next 6 at a 12 half a day, said we. Hello.
Yeah, man, blessed. And this is the virgin where I sell the bulldozer. Let me see advertise.
For real, man, I mean I sell the bulldozer. You say, in idea you want it?
Yeah, man. Well, I the close super the bulldozer working. I like what I work. And it a clear down one inside right at the front of me. seeing is believing, man. I like how it work. It a reverse, I go forward, I dig up some dirt and some mall. Hey, yo, I move closer to it, you know. So what you say, you can link me up as right now?
In the next 5 minutes, me did a year.
Right now, man. Cause I want to buy, you know. Right now, I move closer to it. Yes, I.
Match my vibe. We full of lit. We full of rich. Bring the hit. Match my vibe. Cause you did think you're much
You know what I mean? Quick and fast. Man, nah itch. You're joking, I think. Yes, sir, you buy bulldozer, I'm a general.
Yes, sir.
I say, if I talk to you, sound like it's a Rasta man, I talk to you.
Yeah, man, I want Ras.
No, joke, no, man, I hate that, you know, you look.
You look like it a work, you know.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man, working condition, man, a new brand thing, man, I just where you buy, you see me?
So why the color the pan? Why look a painting the pan?
The color the pan?
The painting, not the everybody. So,
no, man, that good, man, that just one little thing the pan, one little mark, I ain't too love, you see me, so I just paint out it.
Say we don't like mark.
Yeah, I don't love the mark, you like, when it a shit down, you get a scratch, so I just paint it. But I Lego more and Lego it, you know, because I come out of the business, yeah. You see me?
You understand nothing? I'm saying now for the money come.
Yeah, that you dare tell me.
Alright, not to go county.
Alright.
So where the paper
Alright.
10 feet then now? Can me give you
Alright, watch out. You see, to a tax office thing I go right now. Me not to walk with papers again, because I just plate them run now. You see me? I just plate them daily there now. License plate. They don't really ask for papers again. I just plate them.
Oh, a millennium style
yeah,
now.
Different style. Yeah, 2026 thing. You see me?
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so give me a receipt there.
I know, so I need to have a receipt, but watch out. Me a shot the receipt. Come give you when me go down. See, like how you see, say me a sell the bulldozer, man. Me make you, me send it come give you, man. Me put up on line so you can go up on it. I can't do it still, you know, but when you go down, just go up on your phone, you see.
Hey. I will come for it later.
Just to make your man there know, say them to give you a bulldozer, man, you buy. No say I heard, here. Alright, no say I heard, look a bit. Good doing business with you in the Rasta. Next time in a year. Me line up a chapter for you next time. Me have to move fast.
B. We get the bulldozer now, you know. You just see the virgin and paying feet, man. But them a do some work with the house, but me I walk up to go inspect him more. Because on the net you look a certain way and in a purse you look a certain way, same way. But it can't work, man, it can't work. When I forward down, because I can't drive, I get somebody to drive it too. You know where I go?
Babes! What going look here? Joke thing I go on. It's a rich man reach out and I believe in a man, you know. That me I tell you. You don't even know more while I make man all have a prayer to you know you. B!
They ain't know no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my god, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last shit, dog, you can do better. You ain't got shit,
look
told me, homie, that's facts. I just bought a new crib, I buy another for the tax. We ain't in the same league, we ain't in the same bracket.
How me look? Yeah, go on.
Looking lovely.
Not you ready to touch the road, though? That me a pray, man. But touch on no. I left a thing here, you know. Left a thing here, can hold your ear and sit there, you see me? Alright, hear this.
Put one more on your babes.
One more.
So I have to love this, you know.
Put two more on.
Yeah, put two more. So I have to love.
You see already, you know, touch the road in here. So now look a bit. How would that? Babe, I would this knock down the door. Come look at wood. I mean, even trust them do knock in your front up, you know. Enough boy have for me, you know, you know. You know what I do. This man here come back in a place at the B.
Now come here. You're right, now come, cuz.
Yes, cuz. My cuz that, you know.
Great Lakes State and we make waves here. Running the point, I make plays like Shakespeare. Every day I make it a great year. So every year I feel like the day's near. Yeah. Whole catalog made from a home stew. Quick school, shopping at Whole Foods with the fresh pro.
Where are you? What the fuck?
Gotta look cute, get my brand coupon. It's a lot of stunt doubles and they
nonsense.
I touch the road there now, you know.
Alright.
But you're not there later.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous.
Yo, me jagger. Yeah, the yes, you being or something, you can't give me something I pray.
Yeah, say man, I lease that dog. You let go me a road, you know.
That's how we do it, man.
Don't joke man, right, dog. Remember where you come from, you see me?
That's the say they know me, dog. The force, man.
5 bills US, you see me?
You
Same
could.
say you come and if I then your dog, Mono have you can show. Mono stay so, but that's walk around fast same way. Tell me, I tell her that.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man.
Believe no man, that's how we bust youths, you know, dog.
Then you see me again, say, you see me?
Yeah, man, we active, man. You're doing. I'm glad say you did. I see you're not foolish. Next time I can try.
Real prayer show me, dog.
Next time I
When you
can
show
try.
me thing, me take if it joke. Real
I
thing.
don't give dog.
I have a thing I deal with, so I can't do it. So
Yeah, man, we link you, man. I'm sure to next up here. Alright, cool.
catalog made from a home stew. Quick scroll through like shopping at Whole Foods with the fresh produce. My shit is a whole mood. AEI, I don't owe you. Danny wrote through scoop. Yates alley-oop me another go-to. 2 video shoots, gotta look cute. Get my brand coupon. It's a lot of stunt doubles and they
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous.
I pray.
No, wait, me not see you. You good?
I say come here, buy me the carrier, just dash my way so.
You can't dash you, oh God, man. I'm to do that, man. But I have to look for you every day. Search down your whole place, but I have to find you back.
Well, I'm gonna find you now.
So you can't drive.
Well, it does have, you know. I am so excited. You want to me a show for my friend. Them.
Not
and
true.
I tell him to my man buy me car for my birthday.
None of them can't. None of them. Different lifestyle. Nice, man. I like how you take care, right? You see me?
So always things.
Oh, everything good, you know. Rest me decide that you. Me decide that you me great. Me have a problem I worry about. Tell me, I tell you.
So babe, let me move in with you.
Time already.
Well, what am I ready now?
No. Anytime already must go. Get a place right now for me and you.
Alright.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hold on, go on like so now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. Ah, my son. I train a year, but I run down.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, mama. So, now, yo, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you say what? No, you say boy.